Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best benchtop router tables that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. PRS2100 Benchtop Router Table. This is an absolute perfect router table if you are looking for a smaller size router table. The table comes in a set and it is easy to assemble with multiple accessories. The color of this routing table comes in bright blue color, attaches with many screws to ensure that the table is stable and durable at the same time. Kreg also provides accurate measurements for routing and 3 removable rings available for you to loosen or tighten for better routing. It also comes with steel support for better stability as well. At number 4. Benchtop Router Table. This is another router table that is made by Bosch. Bosch RA1181 comes in a very stylish design that catches everyone's attention. The design of this router table is seemingly super sturdy, stable and also great for those who are seeking for a large router table for doing big projects. The main material is aluminum, just like another version of Bosch, and it is finished off with another layer with the sleek aluminum coat as well. Bosch RA1181 provides a large and smooth table surface for the better accuracy and flexibility in using it. Moreover, there is also a dust collector available for this routing table that could contain a large amount of dust, ensuring that your workplace won't be messy, and it is removable too. On top of that, it provides 2 feather boards for the users and it can be adjusted. At number 3. Electric Aluminum Router Table. Welcome to the Goplus. If you are a big fan of navy blue color, looking for a high-quality router table. Not to worry, Goplus is here to solve all of your problems, especially if you are on a low budget. Let me just talk about the design first. It comes with a pretty simple design, but it looks so attractive, especially in that color. The finished look is shiny and sleek router table that looks pretty strong and durable, due to its large support on each of the 4 sides. There are so many feedbacks on how easy it is to assemble by just using the guide that comes with the equipment. By its steel body and aluminum surface, this router table is even easing the user onto another level in easy cleaning and saves a lot of time. Moreover, Goplus provides an accurate routing and cuts for the users by the precise number shown on the gauge, and it is great for every project. At number 2. Benchtop Router Table. Rockler Convertible Router Table is great for those who are looking for a portable and foldable router table that you can carry to anywhere you want to. It comes in a middle-size, sassy and stylish design, attaches with the white and black color. The way of adjusting the router table to stand is versatile, that you can make it stand in so many ways and saves up your space as well as energy consuming. Moreover, there is also a plugger available for inserting the vacuum machine to this table that can clean off all of the wood chips instantly. Their perfect size of the plate allows the users to cut the wood into their desired angle, and it works well by using your hands. Not to mention, this is not an electric routing table, however, it still manually works really well and your project can be done in no time. At number 1. Deluxe Benchtop Aluminum Electric Router. Last but not least, here is this benchtop router table that is made by Xtreme Power. I'm so surprised that the design of this is similar to Goplus, except the color and minor details. It comes in a black color that brushed off with another coat that makes it looks even more classic and stylish with the shiny full black color. This table is easy to install and it is easy to clean as well with the steel body and aluminum surface. Moreover, this router table is light and easy, but just like its name, it is strong and durable. There is a transparent cover available for Xtreme Power to ensure that the wood chips won't be flying around. On top that, there is a socket for the vacuum pipe to be inserted in suitably with almost any kinds of models, for extra cleanliness while routing. Just like the Goplus, Xtreme Power router table can also be extended for extra space in doing your work as well. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.